go guys, here we are, middle March. So I'm just sort of rocking on through, see what's here. Guys all over the show. Oh well, looks like it might be coffee time. Alright, I just stopped at the Kissing Gate Cafe for a coffee, and now I'm on my way. Check this landscape out, guys. Look at these rocks. Big rocks, sort of a big plain sort of area, but with rocks. Look at them all. Hey. Wow, lots of rocks. Hey, what's up guys? So I'm just heading home, just hitting the motorway now. Time is just on 8:23 in the morning. Next stop, Picton. So I'm heading basically from Dunedin to Picton. Gonna be a big day. Anyway, let's go. It's pretty chilly this morning, but it's pretty clear skies. Got a bit of cloud here, but behind me is all blue. Yeah, weather forecast is for pretty good. Going home. Haha! Cheers! Shout out to Whangarei Beach. They put up the prize. These gloves that I'm wearing here. See these heated gloves? That's right, heated gloves here. Don't really use heated gloves up north. Don't need to. But man, they're really good at the moment, eh? I'm using them here, and I won them as part of the prize for the furthest ridden at the Brass Monkey motorcycle rally, which that's pretty awesome, eh? You know, yeah, so I was the furthest ridden, and the prize was some heated gloves. So I actually get to use them now, and it's pretty chilly morning coming through Dunedin here. Oh, there it is, eh? Better go down, have a bit of a quick burn around the city centre here while we're at it, eh? This is where I'm heading. Look at that. Hey folks, here's the old railway station. Guys, here's some of just the quick sights of Dunedin, and I mean quick. I'm just rolling through the city centre and then roll out just to see some of its cool architecture here. Dunedin, you know, this is Edinburgh of the South. Oh, look at that fella. See that? He was on the fucking red. Fucking asshole. Man, see, trucks. So yeah, so here we go. We'll just sort of roll up here and have a look around. I think I'm coming up to the Octagon. I think. Bath Street. Let's go see. Yes, this is the Octagon, folks. Dunedin's famous Octagon. Let's have a quick look. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? Look at this old beast of building. Yeah, isn't that pretty impressive? Whoa, look at this thing. Hey man, that's impressive. Okay guys, well that was a real quick look at Dunedin. I'm heading out. Oh yeah, look, there's our railway station straight down there. Didn't see the flashing man. No one there, but this is Highway 1, man. You see that? I was in the heart of the city centre, and now I'm on Highway 1 right here. Anyway guys, enough of the gloves, enough of the jibber jabbering, enough of the bullshit. Me, I'm heading off now. So I've got to go to Palmy, which is just up the road, get some gas, I've got half a tank, you know, I've got plenty of gas. So I'll get the pony, gas up, and then it's just going to be just crack on. I can't be dilly-dallying around too much. I do ideally want to get to Picton before dark tonight. I'm going to be pushing it, because dark tonight is only 9 hours away now. We'll see. We'll see where I get to. I'm hoping to get there. But yep. Anyway guys, that's Dunedin. That's down here. So onward. I gotta go. Let's go! Gotta go! Yeah guys, so that's the end of the epic journey. I rode the bike on Monday morning from Dunedin to Picton, and I encountered a bit of rain. It rained from Timaru all the way to Picton. On and off, a couple of times it stopped, but basically that distance was in the rain. Didn't get too much footage of that because it's just, wow, it's bloody raining. And then my ferry ride was the next morning, Tuesday morning, and by the time I rolled off the ferry it was 1:45 in the afternoon, and that was 1:45 in the afternoon. Now I got on the bike basically and just rolled off and rode home to Whangarei. Got home pretty much 1:45 in the AM. So it was about a 12-hour ride. I did have a couple of stops along the way, good stops, you know, good. One was a good half-hour stop, a couple of, you know, quarter-hour ones, and I also had a whole lot of micro stops. Yeah, those micro stops, you know, the ones where you stop on the side of the road, you stand up, you massage the areas that go numb. Those of you that do big miles know what I mean. And carried on. Rolled in home. It was quite funny. I said to my wife, I rang her from Te Kuiti and said, oh, you might see me tonight. And she was like, no, you shouldn't do that. Well, when I got home, gate was open, the light was on, and yeah, so I rolled on in. I basically just parked my bike straight in underneath our outdoor shed, lean-to, and straight inside, man. It was good. Anyway guys, that's the end of an epic journey, and yeah, here we go again, eh? So to all those that went to the Brass Monkey 2021 for the 40th and final Brass Monkey, good shout out to all of you guys. Great effort guys, all the guys and girls who made that thing happen. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.